flipping hiccups, so if you hear me like hiccup in the video, I'm sorry. So, yeah. It was hard to get up this morning. Just pretty hard. First thing, let's do it right. Did I play after school? And I think that's it, but I could be wrong. I hope it's just play because I don't feel like doing anything else today. I don't feel like doing play either, but like, I don't really care at this point. I'm gonna put on jewelry today, I think, because I need to get in a better mood. I'm not gonna do that much makeup. I'm just gonna go into school looking like a fucking rat. I don't care today. I just don't care. I don't. I filmed a really long clip, so we're not gonna do that, but I found my serum and moisturizer. And I was explaining how I don't really wear a lot of makeup at the end of the year. The end of the school year, because it's the end of the school year and I don't really care because it's basically summer and I don't wear that much makeup in summer because like I have like a natural tan and stuff. So I feel like the summer's gonna be pretty fun because the school year I hit it went so fast last year and I feel like it's like slow but also fast this year. I can't really tell at this point. Because, like, in the beginning, it seemed like it was going pretty fast. But now it's just, like, I don't know. I mean, we are almost at spring break. So that's pretty good, I guess. It's like 4 more weeks. In theory, we're not really that close. But it's like, I forgot to do time check. It's 6:23. I think I started this video at, like, 6:15 maybe. I'm not sure. Bro, literally, no. I swear I'm not dealing with these flippin' hiccups today. I can't do it. I'm already too much stress. And it's not okay. Having hiccups in school is the worst because it's so embarrassing. Like, the teacher's talking every moment. You're just like, hiccup, hiccup, hiccup. It's not okay. So it's better go away before I go into that school. And I'm sorry if my voice is being loud. I just cannot speak right now, and I know I don't sound normal, but it's just, yeah. I don't even think I'm gonna do like mascara. I think I'm just gonna do this and then put like Aquaphor on my lashes. So like, I'm gonna be doing blush. I just drew on some of my eyes already. I'm just gonna do a little bit of blush. Okay, come on. Yeah. Better be a good lash day. Because I know that I'm gonna have to wear mascara. So I just curled them and I'm just gonna put like Aquaphor on my lashes because I cannot do this today. It's not working for me today. Probably gonna have a breakdown in middle class, I swear. So we're just gonna make those. Yeah. So I'm not gonna put more cuts because it's gonna flipping get. So yeah. And then obviously this. And I didn't film myself putting perfume yesterday, so we're also gonna do that. So yeah. Buy this right now. I'm gonna say it every flipping day. Buy it. It's really good. You're gonna want to. I don't even know how that thing went. Alright. Oh, short. Oh, short. Oh, short. I found it. So yeah, my hair is like so puffy right now. It's okay though. Today we're gonna try one of my new Victoria's Secret ones. I have a lot of other perfumes, but I'm gonna use this one. Violet Petals. I'm sprayed to the air first. That smells good. So now I just put it on my wrist. Rub it. And then I just spray it all everywhere, all over my body. It smells good. So yeah. And I'm not gonna film me putting them on. And you're probably not gonna see me see them on me, I guess. But I'm gonna be wearing these earrings. They're pearls. And I might wear a necklace, I'm not sure though. Bye.